One thing I didn't know which Mail said was they are awarding the university toppers, and I'm one of them. I don't want to taste this, but it always goes inside my mouth. You can see the glow within. I have not applied highlighter. Namaste, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mona. I hope you all are doing well. I feel satisfied because it's been so long since I've done my intro, and I feel this is the best ever time to do this. 24 products slash items slash things which I love and obsessed in 2024. Most of the products in this video is new to you guys because I've not yet shared anything in my monthly favorites or top 3s. And there are few items which I've already shared, like you can consider some 70-30 ratio, because few things I'm repeating and showing because though I can't skip my obsession video without those products. So if you are curious about new products and interested in these kind of videos, keep on watching. So without any further delay, let's get started. I have segregated these into multiple categories like skin care, makeup, body care, hair care, fragrance, lip care slash makeup, and miscellaneous. Yeah, that's it. Without any further delay, let's roll into our first product, which is skin care. And I only have few items in this category because I've mostly raved about most of the products throughout the year, and I have 3 bests for this video. So our first product is this moisturizer, which is the Formula RX Peptide Ceramide Moisturizer Barrier Plus. I am obsessed with this product because it is too good and moisturizes my skin well. You might have already seen this moisturizer in my 12-step skincare routine shots. So this is the best ever moisturizer, especially in winters. I love it. You can see the texture already, how much I've used. I've also placed an order for another one. It has right consistency, and I just love this product. And our second skincare product is this tool. This is a facial tool, and I mostly use gua sha or jade roller, and I wanted to try something new, so I tried this. And this will also vibrate while you massage. It helps in blood circulation and sculpts your face. So this is too good. I love this product, and which has 10 years expiry date. So I think it's a best purchase of the year. And our last skincare product is our rosehip oil. If you are following me from the beginning, you know this was my OG face oil. I used to use this for both in my AM and PM routine. I don't know why I stopped using this. From the past couple of years, I was not using this, and I thought, like, why did I stop using rosehip oil? And it helps in reducing the dark spots. Now I know the hype again because I started using this, and I love this product. Especially I use rosehip oil from this particular brand, and I love it. So yes, I started using this again. This is it for our skincare category. Let's move on to our next category, which is makeup. And I have more makeup products. Let's start with our first makeup product, which I can see here is this eyeshadow palette. So basically I've received in my birthday month purchase Nykaa's gift. If you don't know, if you buy a product on your birthday month, Nykaa will send you gift according to your purchase range. So yeah, I got it back then I decided to use this year, like to see and to check this. I love the color shade here, which you can use it for subtle everyday makeup look. So that's why I love this product, and most of the functions this year I've used this, and in most of my YouTube videos also I've used this only for my eye makeup. This eyeshadow palette is from Nykaa only, like their brand, and Sundowner Stunner. So yeah, And our next product is this one. This is Elf's Power Grip Primer, and this is too good. You need like small amount, especially if you are doing full makeup, like full face of makeup. You should not skip primer. This is good primer, and I have combination skin and mostly my makeup melts down, so this helps me in keeping my makeup intact. So yeah, this one, this primer is too good and it helps the makeup to be in place for a long time. And our next product is this one, which is Rare Beauty's blush in the shade Hope. So this, I've already raved about this product. You have already seen this product in multiple videos. I can't skip this blush in my obsession video, because this blush gives you that everyday natural within glow kind of color and clean girl makeup look kind of. You can use this and it doesn't even feel heavy. I'm wearing this right now, and I like how subtle it looks by giving that natural flush effect. So yeah, this one. And our next product is, you have already seen this product almost in every video. This concealer from L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Full Coverage Concealer. This concealer, this is full wear. Even I skipped foundation multiple times when I use this. So this is that good, and yeah, this is too good and long wear and full coverage. So what else you need? And our next product is this pouch, where I had this from so long, like from past 3 years I guess I had this. I got this pouch from Neutrogena when I ordered Neutrogena range. So I got this pouch as a free gift or something. I've never used this. This year I think I started using this for my office. I mostly carry a few things like powder, fashion tapes, mask, and some medicine, and sometimes lipstick and concealer. So this is spacious and I can carry a lot of things here. So I love this product and it's so good quality. Look at this. It's in my office bag only always. So this one. And our next product is this one. This is Dot & Key's Strawberry Dew in the Spotlight Strobe Cream. You might have already seen me use this, talk about this product and everything. So I basically love this and I couldn't skip this in my obsession video. So that's why this is there in this video. I love this product, and even today I am wearing this strobe cream. You can see the glow within. I have not applied highlighter. So like if you are seeing any highlights on my face, that is because of this. So that's about makeup. Let's move on to our lip care / makeup. So here I consider this as one product because as we are only adding 24 items in this video, I didn't want to show 2 lipstick and count it as 2 items. So that's why I'm considering these 2 as one. So I love these 2 lipsticks. Look at the packaging. I've already raved about this product and you might have already seen this product in my Ross haul. This is from Prosh and it's in the shade High Tea 110, and this is Ross, which is Velvet Mauve. And you can see the shade. It's good because of how smooth it glides on your lips, and the color payoff is good, and it's a bit more long lasting for a bullet lipstick. So yeah, and this you already know. Right now I'm wearing this lipstick. So yeah, these 2. And next we are moving to our lip care, which is lip screen. You can see the packaging, how terribly it's been used. So this is from iPhone. I can't read anything from this. I already have new packaging here, which is iPhone's All I Need Lip Screen SPF 30, which contains vitamin C, vitamin E 1%, kojic acid 2%, and avocado oil. So yeah, this is new one. We have this. And yeah, I love this product, and my lips are too sensitive for lipsticks and sun rays. It might get dark sometimes, especially this area. So whenever I use this, I don't get that. It's a best lip screen ever which I've tried. So this is all you need. And it tastes sweet. I don't know why. I don't want to taste this, but it always goes inside my mouth. I don't know. It's kind of sweet. So now let's move on to our fragrance category. I just have two. Yes, I just have two items in here. Starting with this one, you have already seen this in my Amazon finds. This is a perfume refill bottle, and this is handy, and I keep it in my office bag because I love wearing perfumes on the go. So I always keep one tiny bottle. I used to keep the glass bottle of any brand's mini version, but after I got this, I'm using this, I'm taking this everywhere, and yeah, this is enough for my even 1 week trip as well. So this one, there's Versace perfume in here. And our next perfume is, by now you might have already guessed. If no, then this is the perfume. I've already spoke about this perfume in my perfume collection video, or favorite perfumes. So that one. So this is Victoria's Secret's Tea Sugar Flare, and I love this fragrance. It stays for a long time. It's long lasting, and I love this. It's sweet. So yeah, this one. So that's about it for our fragrance, and let's move on to our body care. Let me start with this product, which is MCafé's Blueberry Breeze Body Scrub. I love the fragrance, and it moisturizes my skin well after scrubbing. You don't even need to use body lotion, and this is so good. It's gentle on your skin, and I love this. And I have a body lotion. You can consider it as one item, but I have 3 body lotions, where 2 for AM and 1 for PM body care routine. So these 2 are AM body care routine body lotions, where this is from Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction. Oh my god, more than mist, I love this body lotion. It stays longer than the mist. You get my point. So this one, it's almost empty, 1 or 2 pumps, that's it. And this, I don't know whether you remember this. If you can remember my Sri Lanka haul, or get ready with me for New Year's 2024, I've used this, and this smells incredible. So there is still this much left, and I don't want to use that because I don't get it here, and I want to save this. So that's why these 2 body lotions. And for PM routine, I have this one from Chemist at Play with essential ceramides and 4% retinol plus niacinamide and everything. This, I think I tried last year, but I didn't know I'm going to be addicted or obsessed with this particular product this year. I used the Tubs After Tubs, so this is my 5th or 6th bottle, and I use this for my PM body care routine because it has retinol, and I don't want, when the product has retinol, it's better you don't expose it to sunlight. So that's why I use it as a PM body care routine. The last body care product is this Body Wise 4% AHA BHA Underarm Roll-On. This claims to control body odor and reduce pigmentation. With that, it smells incredible because I have used few underarm roll-ons which claims to reduce pigmentation, and it doesn't smell good. It feels like chemically, but this is good. And that's about it for our body care. Let's move on to our hair care. Hair care, I just have one product, which is Tool. So this is from Urban Yoga. Make Me Bold by Urban Yoga. This is too good. See, I've used this product, and which takes comparatively less time than any other dryer. We have 2 attachments. So you can open like this, remove this, and attach the new attachment. This is to blow dry, and this is for styling purpose. So you have this and it's so compact. We are just left with one category, which is miscellaneous. Let's start with this product, which is nail extensions from Savannah. And I've used this. See, I feel getting extension done is a bit of a task because I like long nails and it's difficult to maintain. So whenever it is not that important, I try to use press on nails. And look at this, how cute it is. I've used this for many events this year. So this one, it's good. I still have couple of extensions from same brand, but this one is up to my liking. Our next thing is I like Bigg Boss. Like, if you don't know, I follow Bigg Boss Kannada from past 11 years. It started 11 years ago, so I am following Bigg Boss Kannada from season 1. So yeah, that is my favorite show. I don't know why people ask me like, why do you want to see that fight and everything, and I don't know, but I like that show. Our web series, I watch Korean web series. So this year I watched many. I liked Love Next Door because they are childhood friends and they'll become couple later, and that's cute. Our next movie, most of the times I'll be waiting for Christmas movies. I don't know why it feels so warm and cozy. I love those movies. So I have 2 movies. One is The Genie. So another one is this movie, and I love this because it's so cute and cozy. So yeah. And after that, music. I am not into music, but this year I liked, if you don't know, Lala TV YouTuber, she has also released like 5 songs till today. I like her real life, real life love is bullshit song. So I'll just display that name here. So this one, I like this song not because of the meaning or something, but it kind of is catchy and I like that music. One thing I'm grateful and proud about this year is my convocation. And if you don't know, I've done masters in computer science and engineering. I'm class of 2022. So my university decided to do a convocation this year in February. I was not sure, but I always known that I'm a good student. I've scored very well. But one thing I didn't know, which mail said, was they are awarding the university toppers, and I'm one of them. So I couldn't resist going there. I had to book last minute flights and everything just for 3 tickets. I had to spend a lot for this trip, but I'm grateful for that as well because I could spend that much money for a convocation, and I was able to take my parents there, and I could share the stage with my parents. I could do all this because of them. I think that was the great thing happened this year. I'm so happy, and this year career wise was so amazing and great. So I'm grateful about this. And the book. So that concludes our 24 obsessions. This is my last item, which is my favorite book. So, as you all know, I'm not into reading books, right? I force myself to read books. So this year I've completed 3 books. Yeah, 3 books. So this is the book I was talking about, which is Be Your Own Sunshine Towards a Better Tomorrow. So this book is good, like, how to be happy within and how to be in peace. I think I enjoyed reading this book. So this brings us to an end of the video. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good things you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.